Hi everyone, welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the author of The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, and this is where I show you recipes that will help you achieve and maintain healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. And today I'm going to show you how to make pepperoni pizza from page 176. Yes, I have been a vegan for over 42 years. I'm even in the Vegan Hall of Fame, but I'm going to show you how to make pepperoni pizza. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make the pepperoni. In case you guessed, it's not real pepperoni, but what I'm going to be using is the Melfi Crisp Lid. I've showed you this in a few other episodes, but what's really cool about this is for about less than 60 bucks, you can turn any 6-quart or 8-quart electric pressure cooker, maybe even a stovetop, I'm not sure, but any pressure cooker just about into air fryer with this technology if you don't have the room for an air fryer or want to invest in another big appliance. Now, they just came out with a different size basket. This is the deep basket. And so I wanted to show you the difference between the deep and the basket that it comes with, but I can't find it because I cleaned up my house and I can't find it. But I can tell you this is a lot deeper. This will hold a lot more stuff so you can air fry a lot more. So I'm going to try this today for the first time. So how I make my pepperoni is with mushrooms. And so in here I have, this is a little over a pound, it's 20 ounces to be exact, of mushrooms. These are sliced crimini mushrooms. And I didn't do anything to them other than get them a little bit wet so the seasoning would stick to it. I am using my favorite spice from local spicery. This is called Pepperoni Spice. It's completely salt-free and it makes everything taste like pepperoni pizza. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 tablespoons, and of course you could take more or less to taste. And by the way, I'll put a link in the show notes if you want to get 2 free samples with your order. I'll tell you how to do that. I'm just using this Tupperware because it makes a really good seal, and it's like, I just find it, I can shake stuff up better than using a spoon. So hopefully that worked. Oh yes, you can see it worked really, really well. I've got the spices on there. I wish you could smell how much it smells like real pepperoni. And then I'm going to put my basket. Oops, I am missing my little thing. I forgot my thing. And while I was looking for my thing, I found the little basket. So you can see the difference in size. This is probably twice as deep, and it has a handle. So you do need to put the thing, because I can't think of the name of what that is right now, in. Then we put the basket on, and then we're going to put the mushrooms in. And I'm going to get in as many as I can. You know, I probably could put the whole thing in, but I want to get them crisp fast, so I'm going to do them in 2 batches. And what you do is you put the top on. Now, you don't plug the pressure cooker in to use this. You only plug the Melfi Crisp Lid in. It goes to 400. That's what I want. You can go up or down temperature. You push temperature if you want it higher. We'll do 425. I'm kind of in a hurry. And then this is the time, 20 minutes. Perfect. And now I'm going to push this button. And you can see it lights up, and then I'll show you in 20 minutes when they're done what they look like, and I'll show you how to finish the pizza. So we've got less than a minute left, so let me show you how to put it together. So I cheated today. I used the pre-made sweet potato toast that you can get in the freezer section of many fine stores to make my little pizzas, which are basically a sweet potato. Now you can do this with a sweet potato, you can do it with a russet, a Yukon Gold. You just want to slice it very thinly. And then you want to, of course, bake it, and it's fantastic. You know, who needs flour? Who needs gluten? But these are really cute. It says the best thing since sliced bread. So easy because you can just put them in the toaster or your air fryer or your oven and bake them so much easier. So that's our crust. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the marinara sauce that I showed you how to make last week. You could use your favorite, but this one is so fresh and delicious, and it has, that's ready now. This has no sugar or oil or salt and took less than 3 minutes to make. These are great party appetizers. People love these. So now carefully take the crisp lid off and make sure you put it on this round thing that comes with it. You don't want to burn yourself or the counter. And now I have my pepperoni mushrooms, and even if you don't make these pizzas, please consider trying this pepperoni spice. It is so good just to eat these mushrooms like this. My husband loves pepperoni mushrooms. I'll give you a link to local spicery. I've done a couple interviews with Nick. He's fantastic. And so you can just make, oh, by the way, these don't have to have mushrooms. If you don't like mushrooms, you can do another vegetable. I've done artichoke hearts, finely chopped, and broccoli and onion, just like you would any pizza. Put on what you like. And then I like to sprinkle on, just use my fingers because I get more control, a little bit of the faux Parmesan. This is the enlightened version, which I've showed you how to make in a few other episodes. And then maybe a little bit of fresh basil. We always want to have some green. I could have used arugula. So what I like to do is if I'm having company, I just make a bunch of these in advance, and these can be eaten hot, cold, even at, well, maybe not cold, hot or room temperature, but these are beautiful. This is finger food. This is so healthy. And thanks to the now deep basket of the Crisp Lid, which comes with all these cool accessories. Anyway, so check out some of my other videos to learn more about the Melfi products. You can get $10 off if you spend at least $59.95 with code CHEFAJ. And I hope you'll enjoy these pizzas on page 176. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, and I make healthy taste like pepperoni pizza so that you can have the health and the body you so richly deserve. Bye now.